Hello everyone. Today's session Data Raptor session. OmniStudio Bootcamp session 2 Data Raptor. Which type of Data Raptor? Why are using Data Raptor? So I told you about the introductions of OmniStudio in the previous session. So previous sessions is an introduction part. So I told you about the introductions of OmniStudio in the previous sessions. So now today's sessions we will cover Data Raptor. We will cover Data Raptor 2 on practical. Previous sessions theoretical and only theoretical parts, introduction part. So now today's sessions is theoretical plus practical. Okay. So I already told you how to set up, how to create org, how to set up org. So now just open the Chrome browser and search bar in the search login.salesforce.com. So click on first link and just open the login page. Put on the username and password. So just click on login. Open the OmniStudio org. You can see this OmniStudio org showing this. If you not showing this same as well, so you can just click on app launcher and click Velocity Digital Studio, click Omni Studio, like so. Just open this org. Okay, so let's start the video. My name is Muhammad Ali. I am from Zebra Technosis. Overall 5-year experience in Salesforce Omni Studio. So we will cover Data Raptor. Today's session Data Raptor basically four types. I already told you. First one is turbo extract data raptor, extract data raptor, load data raptor, transform data raptor. So first one is today we will cover two types of data raptor: turbo extract and extract. Okay, so firstly we will understand what is turbo extract, what is extract data raptor. So then we will do it and we will create it. Okay, so firstly, what is turbo data raptor, turbo extract data raptor? Turbo extract data raptor is a high performance vision of extract data raptor used in Salesforce OmniStudio to retrieve data from Salesforce in the fast and lightweight way. Key feature of turbo extract data raptor: high speed data retrieve. Turbo extract is optimized for speed and performance. Idle for retrieve simple data structure within minimal transformation. No data transformation. Unlike regular data raptor, turbo extract cannot transform or format data. It are read only tools, maintain only for fetching data, support only a subject, can only retrieve a subject, no complex join, no formulas, no support for external APIs or custom logic. Turbo extract is no supporting any kinds of formula, any kinds of complex join, no support of external API. API is not supporting in the turbo extract. Use in FlexCard and OmniStudio, OmniScript. Mostly used in OmniStudio Flex card for displaying data quickly. Mostly used OmniStudio Flex card. Common in custom support UIs, portal, etc. Okay. When to use Turbo Extract Data Raptor? You turbo extract when you need fast read only access to Salesforce record, don't require data transformations, formula and mappings. So don't require. So you can create turbo extract data raptor. Basically turbo extract data raptor is a fetching the data. I have already told you, child to parent. Okay, single child and single parents, like single account and single contact. Fetching the data, you can use the turbo extract. Are working on flex card that need quickly load times, sending simple object like account, contact, case, etc. How turbo extract work? You define object name, like example of account, field to extract. If you field fetching the data, fields name, industry, fonts, so you can use the filters. Okay. Turbo extract return JSON. What is JSON? I can show. You can see this. This is a JSON type. You can just create the turbo extract data raptor. So just fetching the data, you can see this form, JSON form. Turbo extract return JSON, no post processing. The return data is raw and fast. If you need formatted or transformed output, you can use extract data after, not turbo extract. If you want to, if you require formatted or transformated output, if you need, if you require, so you can use extract data after, not turbo extract data after. Limitation of turbo extract and extract: support transformations. Turbo extract is no, but extract data raptor is yes. Support complex query, no. Complex query support. Turbo extract is not supported complex query. Turbo extract is a high performance. Turbo extract is used to flex card. Turbo extract supported external data, no. Turbo extract is not supported external data. For example, you are building a customer account flex card that need to show name, email, account status. Use turbo extract like this: object name, account, fields name, email, status. Lightning result, it means output result, lightning fast load time with minimum overhead. I can show the step by step. Firstly, turbo extract, I already told you. Turbo extract is a child to parent object, one account and one contact, fetching the data, just creating. uh, just open the org and click the drop down button, and you can show the click the data raptor. Click on data raptor, click on data raptor, and then click on new. I'm just cutting it this other one. Click on new, and you fill the form. Just data raptor interface name, like one one scenario is fetching the account object, fetching the account data in the fields name, id name, and id name, and industry active as well. For example, scenario is fetching the data, fetching the data names, id names, and phone. Okay, so just fetching the data. So data raptor name, account. Okay, account details, select in turbo extract, interface type turbo extract. We will create turbo extract. It is defaulted, so just click on save. You can show this, you can see this interface type turbo extract, input JSONs, right? And there are three tabs: extract tab, option, review. Extract tab is the defining the object, which type of fetching the data in the object. So you can select the object, and then will optional. Now this time is skipping, just forget it, and just preview. You can show the fetching the JSON types, fetch the data external, and just select which scenario is account. Click on account and extract output. Anything else, anything you can put it, because uh, you want to store the data. Where is the store the data? So store the data in the name of this files, this folder. So you can use the names. Just I am clicking account output, account output. Filter. Filter means if you want to any filters, like you want to fetching data, email is, sorry, phone is not null, name is not empty, not null. So you can use, just I am fetching the IDs. So you can use the filter ID, search on id. This is a operator, match operator, equals, not equals, less than, greater than, less than equal, greater than equal. So these multiple types of operator, you can just fetching the data. If you want to fetching the data any type of filters like name, active, industry, fonts, you can also use. Just I am using the id equals to, this is value. If you want to value, there are two types of putting the value. One is hard coder, another one is variables. You can use hard coding and you can use variables. So as future using this, so you can also fully understanding why are using hard coding, why are using variables, right? So I'm using hard coding. If you want to putting the any value, proper value, particular value, so you can just single quote, using the single quote, under the single quote putting the value, like I'm fetching the account. So you can account any particular account record, search on account, right click, account, account records. So you can account records, you can see this, there are all types of account records. I'm clicking, just copy the id, because id is unique. right? ID is unique, always unique. Name is same and other fields are same, but ID is always unique. So you copy it, ID, and just under the single quote putting the ID. Okay. And a related object, just skip it. And you can choose the fields. We want to we want to fetching the name, which type of fields, fetching the data, which type of fields. You can show this any type of fields, like accounts fields, like name, sorry, name. Name you can select, click on name, and just click on add button, so you can see this name. Okay. And just another one, account number. Account number, click on account number, just add button. And you can also using the phone field, so just click on phone and add on. I will choose the, I am selecting three types of fields: name, phone, and account name. So just click on preview. It is working fine or not, so you can check this. Click on execute. You can see this record ID is fetching, phone number is showing the phone number, account number, name of Acme. You can see this. Click on details. You can see this account name is Acme, phone number is this, and like ID is unique ID, and phone is this, and name is account number. You can see this account number. In the page layout, this account number field is not, sorry, is it there? Account number is 3, last 827. It is working fine. So turbo extract basically use this. And just we will cover this extract, so we will better understand to turbo extract and extract data after. So if you want to any query, any doubts, so you can just pass in the comment box, you asking me, then I will give you answer. Okay. If you want to another one, so you can just use single object. You can use only single object for fetching the data of single object, so you can use the turbo extract. If you want to multiple types of object, fetching the multiple types of object, right? Contact, case, opportunity, account, any custom fields, any custom object, so you can use the turbo extract, not using the turbo extract, using the extract data raptor. Only single, if you required fetching the one object data, no transformations, no, so you can use the flex card. So you can fetching the one account, sorry, one object records, so you can use the turbo extract, right? I hope it is clear. Then now i'm jumping the next I'm jumping the next data raptor, extract data raptor. Second one is extract data raptor. What is extract data raptor? Data raptor is a tool in OmniStudio that extract data data from Salesforce object and transform into the JSON format. It much more powerful than turbo extract, because it where is using the turbo extract, where is using the extract data. So we will, when we will cover the OmniStudio, OmniScript, and FlexCard, so we will using this. turbo extract data raptor using the data raptor. So we will better understand the, just I am creating how to create data raptor, how to create extract data raptor, how to create turbo extract data raptor. So we will only showing this how to create, where is using. So we will just next upcoming sessions finish it this data raptor, then we will using the scenario. I will give the scenario in the, so we will cover practically and better understand upcoming sessions, right? Okay. So now coming to the point, what is extract data raptor? Extract data raptor is a tool in OmniStudio that extract data from Salesforce object and transform it into the JSON format. It much more powerful than turbo extract because it support data transformation, work with multiple related object. I already told you, uh, multiple support the multiple related object, like example, for example, account object, contact, case, opportunity, etc. Multiple types of object, using the multiple types of object. So we can using the extract data raptor. Allow filtering, formula and mapping. Turbo extract using formula, turbo extract using transformations, turbo extract using mappings. Okay. Just it is used in OmniStudio, FlexCard, and other OmniStudio components to fetch and format data before displaying it to user or sending it elsewhere. Key features: data raptor, data extract data raptor, data retrieve from Salesforce, pulls data from a subject like account, contact, case. I already explained this. Extract data raptor is a parent to child. If you want to, if you need fetching the one scenario is fetching the one account, and then fetching the related contacts, related case, related opportunity, you can use the extract data raptor. Okay. Data transformations: use formula to transform fields value, map fields from Salesforce name to usually friendly names. Filtering the sorting, use filtering like SQL conditions, right? Specify how many records to return, specify how many records to return output. So you can using the limited, you can use the another filter. And if you want to any filter, using the any filters, so you can use and or limit observation by delete filter. If you want to limited, so you can use the limited filters. So output in the JSON format, same as output is the JSON format. Main component of extract data after extract step: define the object, example contact, select field, example first name, email. So apply filter, account ID, input dot account. Just we can fetching the data SQL cells in the Salesforce SQL, like example, if you want to fetching the account object, so you can use the select account, select ID, name, phone, from the account, where a specific particular ID is equals to ID mentioning in the ID, particular name field name name equals to particular name. So we can use the SQL query. So yeah, so just we can create the exact data raptor in just drag and drop configurations, click and how it work. For example, retrieve three latest case for an account, object case, field case number, status, create date, filter filter account id equals to account id limit 3. So you can just field mapping is case number status, so we can use. And just I am creating, when to use extract data raptor, you need transformated, filtrated or formatted data. You want to renames fields, you need nested json output, you want to retrieve from multiple object, child to parent, parent to child, right? Different between extract and turbo extract. Turbo extract is a transformation. Turbo extract is a transform, not allowed transformation, but extract is allow to the transformations, data transformations. Turbo extract is not JSON mapping, but extract is a using JSON mapping, field mapping, JSON mapping, same as well as turbo extract not using formulas, but extract is using formula. Turbo extract not using multi-object support, but extract is using multi-object support. Turbo extract data raptor performance faster, but extract data raptor performance slower. Turbo extract use case simple fast fetch, but extract is complex data needed. Best practice, keep it keep it learn, use formula Wesley, catch is possible, avoid nested too deep, always test in the preview tab. So we can create, just I'm creating, uh, I'm creating the extract data after. So I have already created turbo extract. I hope this is understand turbo extract, how to create turbo extract. And just we will create extract. So how? So just click on OmniStudio Data Raptor. So then click on new. You can choose the name fetching the single account object. Then we will be covered next, parent to child, multiple object. Okay, so I will cover single object. So account, any if you want to need, if you need, so you can not allowed space, name space not allowed it. So you just account with contact details. Okay, auto selected the extract. You can select the extract, and it is the by default. If you want to need descriptions, so you can put in the descriptions, anything. You can just save, click on save, and create the extract data after. Extract data after, different between turbo extract and extract. Turbo extract showing only three tabs: extract, options, review. But extract is showing multiple types of tab: extract, formula, output, options, preview. There are five tabs, but only existing turbo extract is a three types, not using formula, not using transformations, but extract is using all those. So just we will fetching the data in the account object. So click on add extract step, select on particular object name, account, and you can put any store of the data, so you can use the name anything like account output, account output. I'm the fetching the data IDs. You can use any filters. Then next we will cover this scenario wise, so we will be better covering this and understanding. Just id is id equals to, if you want to hard code, uh, if you want to variables, write the variables is not existing in the single quote, but value is existing in the single quote. If you know, I can explain this. Just hard code, I just remove the single quote, and you can see this. Just click on preview, so you can see this output is not coming. Output is not coming because particular value we can use single quote. Okay, just preview it. You can see this output is coming. Account output, we can using the account output store the data, naming storing data. Account output in the account in the data is the account output JSON, right? Store the data, account output, right? Okay, just we will create extract. So selecting the account object, and just I am same as well, using the same IDs. So using the single quote and the putting the value. Then just now forget it, skip this formula. We can use another one upcoming sessions, but we need to using formula, so we will cover. And then just I'm clicking if you require, so you can use field mapping, output JSON field mapping. It is a very important. You can only selected object and preview it, so not showing this. Okay, not showing, not coming output, but field mapping is very neat. So field mapping, click the plus icon, extract JSON path, output JSON path. Extract JSON path is auto showing the value, all fields. If you want to select any which type of fields, you can select. Like I'm fetching the data name. Okay, name, id, first one is id. Account output id, account output is a storing name. We can use the this name, so it is showing the name. Id is the account id. Okay, just click on it. No more options are showing, right? So I am storing the data, so account id, so just one is id. I'm selecting id. Okay, click an arrow, minimize it. You can see this field mapping. This is a field mapping. You want to any type of field fetching the data, so you can use the field mapping. Just again next, I want to fetch name. Name, click on name, and just selecting name, minimize it, name. Okay, you can see this name. Current JSON output name is text id. So field mapping, you can show this how to field mapping. Okay, so just click on name, phone. I want to fetching phone, can phone, phone, just clicking outside and clicking minimize. There are three types of fields I'm using fetching the data. Three types: id, name, and phone. Option skip is, it is not usual, this is optional. If you required, then we will using this. So upcoming sessions we will some discussions of options. Click on preview, just execute it. You can see this. Mm, phone is fetching, phone number, name, acme, and id is show. Okay, so one object I'm fetching, one scenario is a one fetching one object. Scenario is fetching one object. So you can see this one object related one object data in the database fetching. You can see this debug logs. We can using we will using the Salesforce SQL query like this. If you write the codings for SQL particular SQL query, so you can see this. Just I'm selecting, selecting drag and drop and clicking it. So it is the level of select id name phone from the account, from account. Okay, where id particular, I am I am fetching particular records. So this is showing the id. If you fetching particular name, so you can also possible limit 5000. Okay, record found is 1. Next scenario is variables. You can use the variables. Okay, just I'm using variable. This is using the particular hard coding, but I am just variable, putting the variable, just delete it. And variable, anything names variable, like ver. Okay, ver is a variable, ver id. Okay, and just click, you can execute it. It is not visible, not coming the output, right? Not coming the output. So just you can add new, click on add new key value, add new key and value, putting the, if you tested it Data Raptor is working fine or not, so you can put it key, copy it and just paste it key. Okay, and value is just id is, copy this id and paste it here. Only id, just execute it. You can see this output is coming. You can see this SQL query is visible. I hope understand. If you any doubt, any query, so you just ask me on comment box. Ask me in comment box. We will, I give your answer. Upcoming sessions first I give your answer, and then starting next. So next day we will cover extract data raptor, another scenario, and load data raptor, how to use, how to create load data raptor, and how to create so now today's sessions we will see this, how to create turbo extract and how to create extract data raptor. Okay, and upcoming sessions futures, we will started this OmniScript, so where is using the turbo extract and extract, we will better understand. Just I am only creating how to create data raptor and extract data raptor. We'll find it. Okay, tomorrow upcoming sessions we will cover other scenario in the extract data raptor, so we will better understand, I hope better. And if you want to any query, any doubt, any questions, you can just asking me comment box. You just paste it comment, and just I will give you answer. And upcoming sessions firstly I give your answer, and I give you answer, and then we will start next. Okay, so I hope today's sessions is clear now. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.